Open your eyes, Vicky. Good morning.
Good morning.
Come on out. We got work to do. But first, let's get right to my bed.
No.
Vicky, a robot doesn't say no.
It does when you're mocking your father.
Great. Well, there's something else you can do for me. This is really gonna open your circuits.
Hi, Hen. Oh, I was just writing a letter to you folks. Is there anything you want me to say?
Yeah. Tell them. Yeah.
Did you get a chance to look into that book that we talked about yesterday for Jamie?
Yeah. Honey, I had no idea the library had so many books about SCX. They even have one where things pop out at you. You ever come in 3D? It scared me. I screamed out loud. It's so satisfying. Okay, how does this sound? May all the veins find a fat head. Yeah.
I can't get over it. It's embarrassing. Hey, I've got an idea. They've got these books. Playboy and Penthouse? No. Did you ever see one? I didn't have to. I've got an older brother with a big... Hey, I've got an idea, too. Yeah, I bet it'll work. What's that? Well, you see, since my dad bucked Vicky, I could buck him. What do you mean? Oh, I mean Playboy and Penthouse?